Hi, today we are going to learn chapter 7 on H.A Robert's philosophy, and that is our remedies, why they act. So, homeopathy is rooted in fundamental scientific principles and natural laws akin to disciplines like astronomy, mathematics, and biology. In earlier chapters, we explored how homeopathy aligns with the universal principles of balance and order. Specifically, we observed how remedies work by either inducing an artificial disease like state in healthy individuals or restoring health by counteracting disease states through carefully selected remedies. So, one is drug proving, inducing an artificial disease like state in healthy individuals, and two is normal, restoring the sick to health, restoring health by counteracting disease states through carefully selected remedies. So, this chapter delves deeper into these concepts, that is, exploring how the energy, composition, and properties of remedies interact with vital energy of living beings to create profound healing effects. You might be asked by many people that how our remedy works, how homeopathy works. So, in this chapter, we will learn how and where, when all these remedies, properties are reacting, how our remedy works. This is explained by H.A Robert by saying the energy, composition, properties of remedies interact with vital energy of living beings to create profound healing effects. So let's go to it. The concept of vital energy across nature. Homeopathy acknowledges that all living and non-living entities possess or are influenced by vital energy, the driving force behind growth, sustenance, and restoration. So, H.A Robert says that to understand homeopathy, first we must understand vital energy, because this vital energy is the power which gives a driving force behind growth, sustenance, and restoration, whether it is living or non-living. So, in previous chapter, we learned that plants and animals are living creatures, but some elements or metals, all those are non-living things. But even though they are non-living or inert or latent, it also has some power because it has atoms, molecules, energy, electrons, protons, neutrons, everything. So, because of motion, it also has power. So, the concept of vital energy bridges the gap between the realms of the physical and metaphysical, applying to the mineral, vegetable, and animal kingdoms alike. So, first let's learn minerals. Though not conventionally living, even though they are not like living minerals or living matter, minerals form the foundation of the earth, isn't it? Our earth is filled with minerals and possess inherent energy. Homeopathy utilizes these substances through potentization, a process that releases their latent energies, enabling them to act upon body, mind, and spirit. So, even though it is having a latent or inherent energy in a state, we will make it into a powerful, a dynamic force by what? By potentization. That's how homeopathy utilizes such substances. So, the latent state will change into dynamic state that has the power to act upon three levels, in which three levels vital force develop or act on body, mind, and spirit. So in these three levels, that vital force can be acted if we potentize these kinds of minerals. Second is vegetables, plants. Plant life visibly exhibits vital energy through growth and development. Homeopathic remedies derived from plant harness their unique chemical composition and defense mechanism, offering potent therapeutic benefits. So we know plants exhibits vital energy because we know it grows, it develops, it even though it cannot move from one place to another, it sways to and fro, but it has life. So we will get that vital energy from plants because it is having unique chemical compositions and properties, and it also has defense mechanism like pitcher plant. Carnivorous plants are present, isn't it, that eat venus flytrap and all. So those kinds of defense mechanism also can be used, like poison ivy, all those things are because of defense mechanism, isn't it? So that also we can use it for therapeutic benefits. Again, animals. It is the highest form of vital energy observed in animals where complex systems interact dynamically. So among the three, animals is the highest form of vital energy. Venoms, secretion, and other substances from the animal kingdom serve as profound homeopathic remedies influencing human health on multiple levels. The scientific exploration of natural laws. To understand the action of homeopathic remedies, it is essential to study their natural derivation and interrelation with universal laws. This involves a deep understanding of physics, chemistry, and biology. Homeopathy physician must appreciate the elemental composition of remedies and the alignment with natural laws governing the universe. So when you study homeopathy, you're not just studying biology, just human biology, but instead you should learn the potentization, that is physics and maths, then chemistry because of chemical properties of the remedies, such things. So you should learn biology, physics, and chemistry and maths. Actually, you should learn maths also in homeopathy. So now let's learn the energy and elemental composition of the universe, that is physics and chemistry. Dr. Robert Millikan's work on available energy, it's a chapter in one of his book, provides insights into the universal elemental composition. Hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. Hydrogen represents the building blocks of matter. Second one is helium, widely distributed and is essential in cosmic processes. Oxygen and nitrogen, fundamental to life on Earth, with oxygen constituting a significant portion of the planet's crust and atmosphere. Silicon and iron, major components of the Earth's crust and core, representing stability and resilience. These elements combined with hydrogen and helium form the foundation of the universe, driving both cosmic and terrestrial processes. So we learned all these chemical elements or whatever it is, but is it really necessary to learn for homeopathy, or what is the significance in homeopathy? Now let's learn what is the significance of these elements in homeopathy. So these homeopathic remedies are derived from these elemental sources, allowing them to resonate with the vital energy of living organism. So these elements are really essential for us in homeopathy because these elements are utilized by homeopathic medicine. For example, remedies like lycopodium, which is derived from mosses. This is a picture of lycopodium. These two are lycopodium. This and this is magnified picture. It's a mosses, club moss. Contains elements such as aluminium. It's a mineral, which when potentized release profound healing energy. So how these elements are derived, because even it is a plant, it will get all these elements and nutrients from soil, isn't it? And it will absorb all those nutrients and minerals, and we can use this mineral indirectly by taking the plant. So lycopodium, which is derived from mosses, contains elements such as aluminium and it has healing property. Again, plant-based remedies such as pulsatilla or ruxtox demonstrate the transformative power of plant chemistry, which is enhanced through homeopathic preparation. So this is a picture of pulsatilla, and this is ruxtox, poison ivy. Just remember these three leaves, poison ivy. The influence of living and non-living. The boundary between living and non-living entities is often blurred. Sir J.C. Bob's experiments reveal that metals, plants, and animals respond similarly to stimuli, fatigue, and poisons. This underscores the continuity of natural laws across all forms of matter. So, Sir J.C. Bose has made an experiment that metals, plants, and animals respond similarly to stimuli, fatigue, and poisons. This underscores the continuity of natural laws across all forms of matter. Example, animal source of remedy. Animal-derived remedies exhibit strong reactions due to their natural defense mechanisms such as venomous secretions. So in this picture, you can see the collection of snake venom. Here this person with a glass and some rubber cloth, when he pressed the snake's teeth, that fangs, towards it, the venom is secreted because it is showing the defense mechanism by secreting the venom. So that's how it is collected. So these snake venoms, example Naja and Lachesis, these venoms even in minute doses, profoundly impact the vascular and nervous systems. That's why it is venomous snakes. When it bites us, we die because it has strong action on vascular and nervous system. And this J.C. Bose has experimented this method in both animal and plant. He has experiment in fish, vein, and in plants, and in both experiment, both has resulted in death. So it shows there is some action of venom in vascular and nervous system. So that was the experiment. Then bee stings, apis and spider venoms like tarantula, effective in addressing inflammation, pain, and systematic reaction. So for all these things, we can take for the action of the remedy. So this is how animal plant source. Next is plant source of animal source. Again, next is plant source of remedies. Plants are natural chemical laboratories, synthesizing potent compounds for defense and survival. These properties make them invaluable in homeopathy. Ruxtose family known for their strong impact on skin and systematic inflammation. We know when we touch poison ivy, hands will be inflamed and we will get scratching, boils will be coming. So that is the action of Ruxtose. In Drosera and Sarracenia, carnivorous plant, exhibit powerful action on respiratory system and other ailments. This is a picture of Drosera. These two are Drosera, different variety, different kind. So this is carnivorous plant. And this is Sarracenia, and this is also like a pitcher plant. It is carnivorous. If some insects are coming here, it will eat it. Then pulsatilla convert soil minerals into biochemical available compounds, exerting deep therapeutic effects. So again, mineral and chemical elements. Minerals and chemicals form the base of non-living remedies. Their potential is unlocked through titration and potentization because they are inert, isn't it? They are not living. So to make them alive, they are triturated and potentized, processing unique to homeopathy. And one of the example from mineral that we get from plant is lycopodium. It is rich in aluminium. This plant-based remedy acts deeply on digestion, mental clarity, and systemic balance. Second one is equisetum, horse tail. This is a picture of equisetum. It contains silicon, vital for connective tissue and structural health. Next is cosmic energies and potentization. Cosmic rays and atomic transformation provide a fascinating parallel to the homeopathic process of potentization. Just as cosmic rays demonstrate immense penetrating power, potentized remedies, though highly diluted, carry immense therapeutic potential. Elements like silicon. This is the image of silicon, this shining material, and iron. This iron. This picture is iron. So elements like silicon and iron release tremendous energy during cosmic transformation, mirroring the energy released during the titration and succussion of homeopathic remedies. So even the cosmic energies and potentization gives or potentize the remedies, and when highly diluted, it carries immense therapeutic potential. Even though it is in low dose or in least action, it gives a strong reaction. So in this chapter, what we have learned is homeopathy draws its strength from the fundamental principles of nature by harnessing the energy inherent in minerals, plants, and animals. It offers remedies that act on the physical, mental, and spiritual planes. Understanding the scientific and elemental basis of these remedies deepens the appreciation of their profound effects, affirming homeopathy as a science aligned with universal laws. So that's all about this chapter. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please put a like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.